I'm Barbara from Buona Pappa.
And I'm Miriam from Display It.
And today we're here in the kitchen to prepare a lunch with friends, together.
So we have today burrata caprese
And we have a zucchini flatbread or zucchini schiacciata. That is the perfect end of the summer combination. Easy to prepare, it's super yummy, and it's kid friendly. Both of them are. Let's show you how to make the zucchini flatbread. You will only need a few ingredients and it will be lovely. And it's also perfect for the lunchbox the next day. Let's try the zucchini bread now.
well, I'm ready.
Me too. Look, yummy.
Super light, crispy, all the flavors.
I love the rosemary. I really like the rosemary touch. It's a yes.
Yes.
Buon appetito. Ciao,
Cheers,
ciao, ciao.
bye.
So let us know in the comments here below what you think about the recipes.
And what do you want to see next?
Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye, bye.